See news. I check with you there. What is this? Afana, you get her. You don't throw your. Hey. See, this one now. Make una not. If you don't say you get this thing, don't say yes. So this thing, so they go like 20 years. This thing still, they go like 20 years. We can never forget our culture. The Yorubas, they know what it be this. You see, my new pattern now. I want to bring us some kind thing. Say we don't forget. Imagine they remember our memory. Who wear this shirt, babes? For my fans, I'm a Afa. You wear this thing that year. If you wear Rabe, you say yes. If you wear Rabe, capture your own, make you put that for my under my comment section. Hey, what he bring me here? Oga Mustafa. Oga Mustafa, the man only day for now. Oga for how did they call him? One of the Oga for this concerning this our PTF for Hala for coronavirus. This man come they call Obu Martin because they tell us say the 4 reasons why Nigerians not believe say coronavirus they exist. Now because of number 1, you can't call church. Secondly, you can't call how they call it. Number 1, you say church. You say because church need they take them serious. Secondly, you can't say people they do party. In short, the guy list like 4 things. Now say he bless say all these people bless say anytime they don't wear, you know say anytime they don't wear that their Fulani Jalavia, come wear that their cap will be like a monkey. When you wear cap, he go be like say that cap, the thing they manipulate them. You understand? Because even when Obasanjo be president that time, him himself go still wear that long Jalavia. You understand? But why me need like talk about our Oga Obasanjo? Because say Obasanjo dey among the cabals they rule Nigeria, but in they do own with if you talk, you go attack. If you go attack, because normally before we must get forefathers, as the man call and say godfathers for every country, and Obasanjo na one of the godfathers who will get for this our country. Now maybe can't even bring this Yoruba this thing. I know say if Obasanjo see this message now, he go remember his own. No? Maybe he go not forget his own. If Obasanjo see now, he go remember his own. Make you understand now. Maybe you understand where they come from. Now so now Mustafa come put him mouth, come they talk say whether because they count rubbish. When he be say number 1 church, number 2 those they travel, number 3 those they do party. Now say this man, the bless you, your mumu don't end. So make I help him, make I tell him, Oga, the reason why Nigerians don't go ever believe say coronavirus dey number 1 because number 1 the coronavirus they kill the big man. I don't see where disease enter country. You can't they keep only big men, politicians. That man wanna come. That's Christ the Rock Church. Where his own thought say he died. See na coronavirus killer. That one a perfect lie. That man don dey sick since. Then those accident victim one account. Say na all the people they get accident during since last year October. On account them join a coronavirus kill them. That one a lie. Then secondly, another one again, the palliatives on a hide when we exposed for during NSAS. You know go make us believe. Then secondly, that's why say when they talk the reason why Nigeria no in short coronavirus for Nigeria na scam. You understand? So then another thing again be say owner now they travel they go carry am. So when una carry am come, una know so una dey associate, una dey come where poor people dey. So that is why the coronavirus they come where we dey. Now una be rich men. Now una go abroad. Now una children go abroad. Oga make I answer una question. All these big men say they die for the coronavirus. So you don't hear say their wife die. She mean only the governors, House of Senate, House of Rep, House of Odeisi. She mean all na they die for the matter. Because now they God they target and put. Because now be the masses tears. Now make the coronavirus they kill una one by one. If una no repent, another one they come again say pass coronavirus. And now una go die put. The coronavirus wey they kill una so. Now the secret tears of the poor masses una they oppress. Now be the coronavirus say they kill una. Because this regime wey we dey now so, now when God dey reward the bad politicians and the bad leaders of Nigeria. So e come happen say God come dey reward una through coronavirus. That is why the coronavirus no dey touch us. Also na they can't people dey sick fever. People no dey die for fever before. People dey die for fever because of wetin? Because inadequate of hospitals facilities. Na make people dey die. So instead of una make una dey go, make una come out, make una see hospitals wey say they no get facilities, general hospitals wey say no, some no even get generator, some no even get lights, some no even get equipment to do surgery. If woman go give labor now, she come die for labor room, una go count am as coronavirus. That is why God of coronavirus, God na him use coronavirus take come. He dey secretly dey remove una one by one. All these our leaders, all these our bad leaders. So oga, make I give you 5 reasons why we Nigeria no say coronavirus no dey exist. Number 1, una wey be politicians, una see the whole meeting, APC meeting, PDP meeting, CPP meeting. That one na number 1. Then number 2, una wey be leaders, una no wan reduce dollars, una no wan make dollars get value. The person change dollars now na 500 you dey see. Na make coronavirus dey kill una, and that is why coronavirus no dey for Nigeria poor masses. Then thirdly, una see dey fly dey go abroad, una children dey abroad, na dey carry dey go give them better education for abroad. Meanwhile, government schools for this Nigeria, some of them ceiling go so for press the students. Meanwhile, rain dey fall on them when they take lecture. That is why coronavirus dey kill una, and that is why we the masses coronavirus no dey for Nigeria. Number 4, una dey go do shopping for abroad for na family. Una no never dey carry dey come to the street wey be say una take grow up. The street wey be say you take dey jump, that time you take dey wear nika, be say you take dey jump, wey you take dey wear nika, wey you take dey wear slippers, dey waka, dey carry ordinary bare feet, dey waka that time. Wey be say you take dey play with your mates there, your peer group for street. As e be say you come become governor, you don forget that street. You no even dey say you go the street any day. If you wan even go, you go carry siren, we wan, na you take dey enter the street. If anybody even say make dem shake you, your police say dey guide you, your army no go even let your classmates there near where you dey. That is why the God come bring coronavirus wey go take dey kill una one by one. So for that reason, no coronavirus for Nigeria. We the masses, we no know about coronavirus. And number 4 be that. Then number 5, una wey be APC, una come manipulate our election 2015. Una come count cow as people in the vote. Una come count chicken as those in the vote. Una come count tomatoes, onions as those in the vote. Una come give them voters card. Then later after the election come finish, una come destroy the voters card them. Una come destroy them. Then all the ballot paper so una take go count tomatoes, count cow, count them as human being, count under 15 as human being when you vote for Buhari. All of them come later go throw away. Una come later go tear the ballot papers there. Now he make our God of tears come bring coronavirus come to the kill una. So that is the reason why we will not get coronavirus on Nigeria. Those cow wey una count, all those tomatoes, onions wey una count, bag of rice wey una count. Well, later now the bag of rice don become 30,000. No one do anything about it. Even to eat rice now na wahala. So now make God come use coronavirus come to dey remove them one by one. So Oga Mustapha, no force coronavirus on the poor masses, because coronavirus will not dey see am. Now fever na dey kill the fever na dey kill the poor masses because of wetin wey dey carry them go hospital, no hospital facility, no nurse dey treat people except say they no give them money. Even for the general hospital sef, dem dey pay small money, and meanwhile they call am general hospital wey be say na federal government that's where they provide every health facilities as free. But una no do that one. Rather, una dey go abroad go take treatment. Una children go sick now, carry they go abroad go take treatment. That is why God send the sickness of coronavirus. They can't tag am. God come first use am come into Nigeria. They can't tag am as coronavirus. Now make una dey pass, they die one by one. And Oga Mustapha, if you no take time, you yourself, if you no change your mind, your heart, so that what you dey do go dey favour the masses. If you wan use coronavirus now matter take kill us, one day say the coronavirus go cut up with you and your eye go close like the way others own dey close. Because even the masses own, all these numbers say dey increase, so the numbers don dey, it's a lie. Na people wey be say dem no give good treatment for hospital, na dem dey die for coronavirus. Me fine o, I no wan mention this guy name, make I just mention am. Like our oga Don Jazzy, you say you contact coronavirus. Oga Don Jazzy, if you watch this video, abeg make you let us know where you take contact the coronavirus. If you travel comot go do music award for another place, me I support you for what you dey do. But if you know say this coronavirus, so you say you get isolation center, if you know the country say you travel go carry and come, make you let us know. Because me I no sure say na Nigeria you take contact coronavirus. Oga Don Jazzy. So for Mustapha and you and your coronavirus crew, make you look for something else say go favour the masses, the Nigerian masses. Look for something else say go favour them. Make you dey do am. You go see say this coronavirus, e no go dey kill una again. Because for the poor masses, na mosquito, bad environment, no hospital facilities. When woman go for labour room, no equipment for them. Na im dey kill them. So maybe they count them as coronavirus. Okay?